Welcome to the channel. Today's video is about something that got sent to me by one of the top 5 sellers of motorcycle accessories and stuff. Kemimoto. They sent me a pair of saddlebag organizers to review. They reached out to me and I said yes, I would review this product. So just to let you know that this product was sent to me for this review. I'm not being paid for this. I'm just doing a review. I do have some Kemimoto products already, so I said yes, I would do this. So let me show you what they sent me. All right, these are saddlebag organizers, a pair of them. Okay, Kemimoto. I have these ones go on the narrow end of your inside of your saddlebags for all touring models of the Harley Davidson. They fit on the narrow end. I have the ones that go the lengthwise already. There's a little chain here that you can put your keys in. You have a little zipper pocket here. This here also opens up. Got another Velcro pocket here, stretches out a little bit. Okay. This one here, you have a couple, I don't know if you can see, little straps here. You can put like probably slide some tools in there. You have something that can slide there. Got a pocket here, nice deep pocket. You got another pocket here. And this thing, I don't know what this does. A little Velcro thing with a tether on it, stretchy tether. So maybe you could put something there and, I don't know. Put some, you know, yeah. All right. And you got these here too. So this mounts on your side here. You got Velcro strips right here. Okay, on both of these. And then just mount on the side. Now, if you have a liner inside here, then you could put this into these Velcros, mount it on, and then this can go like, I can show you. Boom. That'll go on the inside, and then it'll be like this. So, boom. But I'll show you that outside. So let's go outside and see. We'll mount these. Alright, here's my saddlebag. So you can see that I got a lot of stuff in there. Alright. A lot of stuff in there. I'll clean some of this out and show you how to install the saddlebag organizers. Alright, the first thing to do is to wipe down the area with alcohol, Windex or something to clean the area. Okay, so what you want to do next is just to make sure, put these in there, check to make sure that they fit. Looks like it will. And you just go ahead and peel off the backing off the Velcro and stick it on. Okay, I'm going to put this one on here, so I'm going to peel this off. And this one. Okay. There. Stick it on there. Boom. There we go. Now I'll do the other side and then I'll come back and put some things in it. Alright, I'm back. I have them installed and I have a few items in here. So, you know, like these little things here you can put tools in. Got a little flashlight here. Stuff like that. Now, if you have a liner that's in here, you could use this, right? All you got to do is pull this off here. You have your put your Velcro on the inside behind your liner. Then you put this on, and then you can roll this over your liner, and then you can put it back on like this, and it'll stay there. Okay? That's if you have liners. If you don't have liners, there, put it on just like that. All right. This side, see? Got my keys hooked up to it. Got a pocket here. Put my sunscreen in. I even have a zipper here, pouch where I put my channel stickers in. Pretty handy, pretty easy. It's great, and they match my Kemimoto saddlebag organizer that I have, the long one. I'm pretty happy with these. They match, and they're good quality. That's it for the installation. Well, that was my installation and review of the Kemimoto Saddlebag Organizers 2-pack that fit on all Harley Davidson tour models on the narrow end of your saddlebag. They're good quality. I've had the other ones that go the lengthwise, and I've had no issues with them. They're good quality. So there'll be a link in the description below, and I encourage you to check them out. That's it of my video. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell that you're notified when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about the Kemimoto Saddlebag Organizers for the narrow end of your saddlebags? And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.